Hello everybody, Buddy on class here. Today we're going to be doing some maths today. So here we are in Mrs. Smith's class. In this class we have Zakir, we have Freddie Mercury, we also have Mr. Flynn. Here we have Sophia, my sister, and Doomsday. Everybody here is being nice, except for this guy. Buddy, be nice.
Oh hell no!
And today we're going to be doing, drum roll, averages, my absolute favourite subject. So, here we have a group of numbers here, 1, 3, 4, 7, 10, 13, 19, and we've got to try and find what these four words mean. But what do they mean? I just realised, means the pun not intended. But anyway, let's have a look at this excellent booklet here that Mrs. Smith and all the other maths teachers have made. So let's have a look at the definitions from here. The mean is the result of all the values were shared evenly. So let's say I have 10 vinyl records. I want to share them out all evenly in between 5 people. So I will just give them all 2 vinyl records. But I will never do that because vinyl records are my treasure. I mean, come on, who doesn't love a good vinyl record?
Bruh.
We got to find the total and divide them all by the number of values. This is the meanest one, because this one has to do all the old working out. The median is the middle value when all the values are ordered. If there are 2 middle numbers, add them and divide by 2. We'll be seeing that later. And the mode is the most common value or values. There can be 1 or 2 modes, but otherwise no mode. A measure of the spread of a data set is the range, the difference between the largest and smallest values. So this is the easiest to work out, and these two, you might have to put these in order to work these out. But just remember, the range is not an average. So if a question asks you to name an average, name one of these 3 and not the range, or else you will lose your mark for being a little bit stupid. So let's go back to this question. So let's find out the mean first. It is the meanest one, so we have to do all our working out on my Casio FX991EX ClassWiz calculator. This calculator is good for A-level. But anyway, here we have the mean. So we got to add all these numbers up and divide them by a number of numbers. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers here. So we got to 1, add 3, add 4, add 7, add 10, add 13, add 19 equals 57. So that is the total of all the numbers. But now we need to divide that by 7 because the amount of numbers in there, the amount of data, is 7. So we've got to divide that by 7 and we get 8.14. Let's only do that to one decimal place, so that is 8.1. The median, luckily all these are in order, it's the number in the middle of the data when the values are ordered. So here's the middle, you can see it's 3 numbers on either side and it's bang on the middle, so the median is 7. The mode is the one that you see the most. So 1, 3, 4, 10, 13, 19, 7, they're all one number, so the mode, there's actually no mode. And the range, the biggest number and the smallest number, I just did that the wrong way around, but who cares? 19 take away 1, it's 18. So the range is 18. So we're going to do the exact same thing here. The mean here is 6.5. Add 7, add 10, add 24, add 36, add 37. That equals 120.5. But remember, the answer is not 120.5. So what you have to do is you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide that answer by 6, and the mean is 20.1 to one decimal place. The median, luckily they're all in order. So let's find the middle. 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hang on a bit. This is a bit sus. You know, this is in the middle. These 2 numbers are in the middle. So what you have to do is you have to do 10, add 24, equals 34. Divide that by 2, and you get 17. So the median is 17. The mode is the one you see the most. Again, there is no mode. And the range is 37 minus 6.5, and you get 30.5. Wow, this is grade 9 maths work, guys. Hooray! Next question. So the mean, as the same as before, we have to do 1.3, add 5, add 5, add 10, add 14, and you get 35.3. But always remember, that's not the answer. If you put that down as an answer, you are an idiot.
Bruh.
So, what you then have to do is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 sets of data, so divide that by 5, and then you get 7.06 as the mean. I was about to say median then. Okay, median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Median is 5. Mode. The mode is the one you see the most. There's 2 5s here, so mode is 5. And the range is 14 minus 1.3, and you get 12.7. Now let's move on to some problem solving. A class of 10 boys and 20 girls took a test. The mean scores of the boys was 48, and the mean scores of the girls was 60. Haha, losers. We're smarter than you. Oh, for goodness sake. What was the total class's mean score? Well, first of all, there's 10 boys, and let's say each of them got 48. Because remember, the mean, going back to the start of the booklet, it was the result of all the values were shared evenly. So, what you have to do is you have to do it 10 times 48, and you get 480 for the total boys. Girls total, there were 20 girls. I'm actually looking through the camera as I'm doing this, so my circling isn't accurate, if that's even a word. 20 times 60 is 1,200. You do 480, add 1,200, because it's the total scores, remember, equals 1,680. There are a total of 30 kids in the class, 10 boys and 20 girls, so you do 1,680 over 30, that should get you 56. I just wrote that a little bit too close to there then. 56, there we go. Right then, the mean height of 9 kids is 1.2 metres. A 10th child is 1.35. They're pretty short, to be honest. What is the new mean? So, we have to do 1.2, that's 1.2 metres, times by the 9, because that is being shared out equally. That is as if it's being shared out equally, I should say, because there's 9 kids, each of them have 1.2 metres, it's saying. Then we have to add 1.35. This is the total lot. Then we have to divide that by 10, because remember, there are 10 kids in total. All of that, divide by 10, that should get you 1.215. Now, we have some missing numbers, and I think, yep, this is our final question. So, there's a blank space here, 3, 8, 10, 15. The mean is 7. What's the missing number? So, going back to the start of the booklet, always remember, the mean is the result of all the values were shared evenly. So, if the mean is 7, what's the missing number? Well, you can see there's 5 numbers here. There was supposed to be 5 numbers, there's one missing. 5 numbers, so you do 5 times by the 7 equals 35. So the total of all these should equal 35. So x, add 3, add 8, add 10, add 15 equals 35. Because x is the missing number. 35 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10 minus 15 should get you minus 1. So the missing number is minus 1. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and you will get some positive aura. Thanks for watching.